Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton. We're located off 111th Avenue and 170th Street. Here we have a 2017 pre-owned GMC Terrain Denali all-wheel drive with a 3.6-liter V6 6-speed automatic engine. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, Denali scuff plate. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopically manually adjustable. Both front seats are 8-way power adjustable, both with lumbar support. Seat memory. Pre-collision, lane departure. Hands-free communication, cruise control. LCD screen display. 8-speaker audio system with AM/FM, satellite radio. Bluetooth, MP3 compatible, also has Wi-Fi. Navigation. Dual climate controls, including heated front seats. Center console has power outlet. Cup holders. Traction control on and off. Large storage compartment between seats has interior light, as well as a USB and auxiliary port. Overhead are your garage door openers, your interior lighting, power controls for your sunroof, and also power control for height for your rear hatch. Your rear view mirror is auto dimming. 18-inch wheels, power adjustable mirrors with blind spot monitoring, keyless entry, also has key for door handle, comes with remote starter, rear cross traffic alert, rear spoiler and bumper guard, remote trunk release, spacious cargo area, comes with power outlet, tie down anchors, spare tire and tools jack stored underneath cargo area. Overhead is a pull down handle and a trunk closure button. Beneath the logo is a trunk release button and your backup camera. Black leather upholstery, wood grain trim, carpeted floor mats, storage pockets on the rear front seats. Center console has power outlet. Center armrest folds down with cup holders. 2 adjustable headrests, rear privacy glass, rear window defrost, child seat anchors, child safety door locks, top levers fold seats flat for extra cargo space, and interior comes equipped with 8 airbags. Clearance and backup sensors, silver accented roof rails and door handles, heated mirrors, Denali badging, intermittent wipers, halogen headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights, and so much more. So check out all of our inventory and come drive a new used vehicle away today.